The little generator started this morning. That makes me happy. It hasn't started lately. Well, I've been getting the vents into these all right. I used this Dremel to enlarge the holes a little bit. Now, I don't know what was going on there because, oh, look who's here. These were 2-inch, and so is my bit at 2-inch. There's no millimeters here or anything like that. For some reason, these wouldn't fit, so I put this little sanding bit on my Dremel and just had to go around a few times, and I had to watch real careful I didn't make the hole too big. But I have 3 of them done. There's another one under here. And I've got about 4 or 5 more to go. But that's a good start. Look at that. I'm going to pickle these. These are the banana peppers. These are the little gypsy peppers. I've never had them, but Mason says they're good. This is the Armenian cucumber. And they taste just like the English cucumber. I'm gonna mix salad with that. Well, the sun's going down. I had a dilemma tonight. About 5 o'clock, my air conditioner went out. It's an old RV, an old air conditioner. I traveled in that RV for 10 years, never had troubles. But, you know, it was tired. And that was part of the reason. If I can get that sun out of my face. That was part of the reason it was down to either buy a new RV or buy property and build a cabin. So, this is what I decided to do. But anyhow, I've got to go in the morning and pick up a AC unit. They have them at Ace, I saw online, so I'm going to go down to Ace Hardware and get an AC unit. And I think the best window is my back window to put it in. And we have some OSB left over that I can close, you know, make a spot for it in the window. It'll be great. So I have to go early tomorrow. I have to get there when they open and get back here and get that in. So that'll be my little project. That'll take up my cool morning tomorrow. But what are you going to do? So at least it was late enough that it was still cool. And I have a backup for everything. I should have had a window air conditioner in there, and I don't. So I'm going to Ace, and I'll be there when they open. They don't open till 9. And then I'll come back and install it. And we should be okay. Hopefully they have them in stock. Well, Ace had them in stock. $189, which is a great deal out here. Very happy. 5,000 BTUs, so I got to get it in the back window. It's 9:15. Trying to beat that heat. Well, it comes with this you have to put on yourself. And technically it's supposed to go this way, is how it looks like it would fit. But I'm turning it this way because I'm going to run a board through here as a bracket and screw it here to hold it in my window back there. Hi. Well, I got my AC in back there. Wasn't my best work. I couldn't get it till 9. And then when I got home, I had to run out and build a stand for it for the outside. And I put a brace on the inside, and I slapped it in there. But it's getting nice and cool in here. I'm glad I did that. I appreciate you guys so much. And I'm going to call this a video. I will see you soon.